As Layton, Utah continues to grow and thrive, more homeowners are enjoying the benefits of suburban living, convenient shopping, scenic parks, and a strong sense of community. But with that growth also comes an increase in urban noise, from traffic and construction to barking dogs and neighborhood activity. If you're looking for a way to create a more peaceful, relaxing environment in your home, Soundproof windows offer a highly effective solution. Whether you're a light sleeper, a remote worker, or simply someone who values quiet, investing in soundproof windows can make a significant difference in your comfort and quality of life. What are soundproof windows? Soundproof windows are designed to block or reduce the amount of external noise entering your home. While no window can completely eliminate sound, high-quality soundproof windows can drastically minimize common noises such as street traffic and honking, airplanes overhead, nearby construction work, loud neighbors or barking pets, wind and storm noise. These windows are specially engineered using multiple panes of glass, insulating materials, and tight seals that absorb and deflect sound vibrations, creating a quieter indoor space. Why noise reduction matters in Layton. Layton offers a beautiful blend of suburban peace and city convenience, but like many growing communities, it's not immune to noise pollution. With I-15 nearby and continued development in residential areas, some neighborhoods experience more background noise than ever before. Excess noise can lead to interrupted sleep, higher stress levels, reduced concentration, especially if you work or study from home, lower property enjoyment. Installing soundproof windows gives you control over your indoor environment, helping you reclaim the serenity of your home. How soundproof windows work. Soundproof windows use a combination of features that work together to minimize noise. Multi-pane glass. Often double or triple panes. Each pane helps to slow down and weaken sound waves. Laminated glass. A special layer of plastic between panes further reduces sound transmission. Varying glass thicknesses. Different thicknesses disrupt the path of sound waves more effectively than uniform panes. Air or gas fills. The space between panes is filled with air or inert gases like argon or krypton to dampen vibrations. Tight seals and insulated frames prevent sound from leaking through gaps around the window. Together, these elements provide superior sound insulation without sacrificing energy efficiency or curb appeal. Added benefits beyond noise control. While noise reduction is the main advantage, soundproof windows offer additional benefits that make them a smart investment for Layton homeowners. Energy efficiency. These windows help insulate your home, keeping it cooler in summer and warmer in winter, which lowers your utility bills. Enhanced security. The thick, reinforced glass is more resistant to break-ins and storm damage. Increased property value. Soundproof windows are a valuable upgrade that can attract future buyers looking for comfort and modern features. UV protection. Many soundproof windows come with coatings that reduce UV rays, protecting your furniture and floors from fading. Perfect for home offices, bedrooms, and living spaces. If you work from home or value your sleep, targeted installation of soundproof windows in the most noise-sensitive rooms can bring immediate relief. Bedrooms, nurseries, home offices, and living rooms are ideal spaces where reduced noise makes the biggest impact. For homeowners living near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas, the improvement in daily life can be transformative. Final thoughts. Create peace and quiet in your Layton home. Noise pollution doesn't have to be a permanent part of your life in Layton. With professionally installed soundproof windows, you can enjoy a quiet, comfortable indoor space no matter what's happening outside. Whether you're renovating, building new, or replacing older windows, talk to a local window expert about the best soundproofing options for your home. You'll be amazed at how a little silence can bring so much peace.